Today in class 9 chemistry, we will start with the element hydrogen, its general characteristics, also its discovery, occurrences, and also the position of hydrogen, and also how it resembles with the alkali metal. So today we will start with the element hydrogen, its general properties, and also characteristics which is resembles that of alkali metal.
So today we will start with the first element hydrogen. We all knows that atomic symbol of hydrogen is with H electronic configuration. If we see that it is with only one electron, and also valency is actually plus one, or sometime it has minus one. Molecular formula H2, density 0.09 gram per liter, atomic number 1, atomic mass 1.008 unit, atomic radius 37 picometer, molecular mass 2.016 unit, molar mass 2.016 gram per mole. So we all already knows that hydrogen is diatomic species. Diatomic H2 molecule also termed as dihydrogen. To distinguish it from hydrogen atom, if we see the discovery of hydrogen, that is beginning in the 16th century, uh, Paracelsus obtained highly flammable gas when iron was added to sulfuric acid. Robert Boyle studied the combustibility of the gas. Then Henry Cavendish obtained this gas by the reaction between zinc and dilute sulfuric acid. It is also showed that hydrogen when burned gives water as the only product. And Antoine Lavoisier the gas this gas as hydrogen because it produces water when burned, because hydro means water and genus means producer. So if we see the occurrence of hydrogen, that hydrogen constitutes about 0.09% by mass of the earth crust and is the ninth element in the order of abundance. Hydrogen occurs free in earth atmosphere in traces, is combined state, it occurs as water, acid, organic material such as hydrocarbon and many minerals. Hydrogen occur in abundance on the sun or other bright stars, so all plant animal tissue contain compound of hydrogen in combination with carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. If we see the position of hydrogen in periodic table, that hydrogen is the first element of the periodic table and it was assigned first group and first period of the periodic table. The position of hydrogen in periodic table was disputed because it resembles both the alkali metal as well as halogen. Moreover, although hydrogen resembles both alkali metal and halogen, it differs from both in certain aspect. Therefore, it was considered more appropriate and justified to allot hydrogen a special position in the periodic table and not to associate it with any particular group. Hence, hydrogen is assigned a separate location on the left side of the periodic table on top of the group 1A, but separated from the other element of group 1A to indicate distinctive characteristics of hydrogen. So how we know that resembles with alkali metal? That is, if we see the electronic configuration, that hydrogen atom has only one electron in outermost shell, like alkali metal. In case of hydrogen, lithium, sodium, if we see, that is one electron on the outermost shell. Lithium with also 3, that is 2 1. Sodium is also like 2 H1. Cation formation is also another character. That hydrogen, like alkali metal, forms a singly charged cation. That is, it will release one electron to form H plus, like Na plus. Affinity of non-metal, also both hydrogen and alkali metal combine with halogen to form halide with oxygen to give oxide and with sulfur to give sulfides like HCl, H2O, H2S. In case of NaCl, Na2O and Na2S. Electropositive nature is also another character, that hydrogen is displaced from acid by active metal in the reaction. Hydrogen behaves as an electropositive element like Zn plus dilute H2SO4 change into ZnSO4 plus H2. Further supported by the fact that when aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride or molten alkali metal halide is electrolyzed, both hydrogen and alkali metal are liberated. Like HCl, H plus Cl minus, like 2H plus 2E minus, like H2. NaCl, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus E minus means Na. If you see the reducing characteristics, that is hydrogen like alkali metal act as a strong reducing agent, that is CuO plus H2 change into Cu plus H2O and B2O3 plus 6K change into 2B plus 3K2O. So these are the reducing characteristics of hydrogen. So today up to that, next day we will start with another topic.